Hi guys, this is Marie and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will be unboxing my Cuisinart Coffee Maker, which is programmable, has 14 cups, which is the largest capacity, and is perfect temp. So let me show you the product. As I open the box, you can see the programmable coffee maker and the carafe. With Cuisinart, you get hotter coffee because of the advanced technology, and you can make it your own way, regular or bold, because of the easy to press button, and it has a extra large capacity of 14 cups. You also get the easy to lift off or put back lid for the coffee carafe. They also provide the coffee measuring spoon and some paper filters. So here you have a better look of the measuring spoon for the coffee and the paper filter. I think they give us about 4 pieces of disposable paper coffee filters. As you will see later, the regular coffee filter has a mesh pattern, so the paper filter is just an added bonus. You can use the coffee machine with the use of its regular gold tone coffee filter. Here you can see the gold tone coffee filter, and underneath it is the coffee filter holder. Right next to it is the water reservoir. On one side you pour the water, and then the other side holds the water filter. The face of the coffee machine shows you the easy to use controls. Underneath the carafe is the heating plate and the flip top use of the lid for the coffee machine. On this side, you can see the cup measure of water, and since this is a large capacity, you have a maximum of 14 cups that you can brew. As you can see, it has a charcoal water filter and a charcoal water filter holder. As explained earlier, the water filter holder goes into the water reservoir on this side, but first I need to soak the filter. And this is the water filter holder. So you're supposed to snap it open and then push down and snap it open. And then that's where the water filter will go. Next, pass it through running water, and then add it back to the water reservoir. Before making your first pot of coffee, it is recommended to clean the water reservoir by powering on the machine. Add the water into the reservoir, close the lid, and turn it on. This will entail the removal of the dust which is accumulated inside. This concludes my Cuisinart coffee machine video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please feel free to comment down below what you think of the video and the coffee machine, should you try to buy one. This, of course, is an unsponsored video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Stay safe and be healthy. Bye!